Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Google Pay and signing in. Make sure it's the account that earned the reward. Next, tap Rewards or Coupons and locate the active coupon you want to use. Check eligibility details, minimum spend, accepted merchants, and expiry, because those conditions determine whether the coupon will apply at checkout. Once done, note whether you must add the coupon to your account or if it auto-applies. If a merchant code is shown, copy it now so you won't fumble at payment. You proceed to the merchant or in-app checkout where Google Pay coupons are accepted. Add items until you meet the coupon's minimum spend and then trigger the payment flow. Watch the payment screen. Many coupons auto-apply, but if not, paste the coupon code into the promo field and tap Apply. Make sure the discount amount updates on the final total. If you see the reduction, select your preferred linked card or balance. Finally, review taxes and shipping, because those can affect whether the coupon meets its threshold. You complete the payment once the final total reflects the coupon deduction. Tap Pay and wait for confirmation. If the coupon doesn't apply, first verify expiry, the merchant's participation, and that your cart met the minimum spend. Also make sure the coupon wasn't already used on another purchase. If problems persist, capture a screenshot of the checkout and receipt, then contact Google Pay support or the merchant. Provide the coupon ID and transaction details so they can reconcile the issue and issue a retroactive adjustment if appropriate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.